Hello and welcome to the full video tutorial of the monthly bill tracker spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to go through a deep dive of how to set up and use the spreadsheet to track your bills throughout the year. Starting in the top left, we can see that you're able to enter in the current year that you're entering bills for. As you edit this year, it's going to automatically update all the formulas in the background so that it automatically calculates correctly for that year. And what this is going to do is make this spreadsheet usable over and over for many years to come. In the bill type column, you're able to select from a predefined list of bills that have already populated for you, or if you have one that's not on the list, you can enter that in as well. In the due on column, you're going to put the day of the month that those bills typically are due. So if they're typically due on the 5th, the 20th, the 25th, whatever day of the month that may be. And throughout the year, as you receive those bills, you're going to put in the dollar amount in the appropriate month, and then make sure to check the box for whether or not you've already paid that bill. For the current month of September, we can see it's September 11th today. I've already received those bills and entered those in. And you can notice some color coding. So what it's going to do is automatically color code it red if the bill is overdue. So this one was due on the 5th. It's currently the 11th. It's going to automatically highlight that red. And then if it's due within 10 days, so this one's due on the 20th. It's currently the 11th. It's due within 10 days. It's going to automatically color code that orange. And if you have many bills that you're trying to stay on top of, it's going to give you a quick visual look to see which bills you're late on, which are coming due soon. It's going to help you out in that way. And then if it's due further than 10 days out, it's not going to color code it at all. On the far right-hand side, you can see the yearly totals for each of those bill categories that you've entered. It's going to calculate that up for you. And if you take a look in the bottom left at the bill summary, it's going to show you a couple of different metrics. It's going to give you the total amount of bills that are currently due. So we can see by summing these up, that's $260. We have $260 of bills that haven't been paid yet. Total bills due within 10 days, which is that one in the middle that's highlighted orange for you. $75 are due within 10 days. And then $85 of bills, that highlighted red one, are already overdue. And you'll notice as you pay these off, it's going to get rid of that color coding. It's going to remove it from the table. So then everything automatically updates for you. And the same thing with the other bills. It's going to get rid of that. Now we only have $100 worth of bills due. And now we can see we're all caught up. And then we move on to the next month. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions.